So how do you own the expired listings in today's market? Okay, very simple. I mean, if you want the best and most expensive way, even though it's not that expensive, is Vulcan 7. You know, they have incredible data. It's an auto dialer. It's legal because it's one. You have to hit the button to call the next person while you're updating your notes. So Vulcan 7, there's a couple others, less expensive, RedX, Land Voice, Mojo. Mojo also has the auto dialer, only use the one single line, okay, with Mojo. So what you do is you just, you get the daily expireds every day, and then you also do customized searches and go back in time. Like, let's say December of last year, December 1 to December 31st, and you put in the parameters you want, and then you pull up the expired listings that were listed. They could have been listed 2 or 3 times in a row, but they're not listed now. And you just declare war on them. Okay, you call them, you set them up on, I would use Neighborhood Report out of our virtual agent center, whatever. If you're not with Berkshire Hathaway, use whatever products you have out of your CRM. All right, newsletters, because I would treat them as either now business or soon to be future business. Statistically, they move before anybody else. Let me give you stats like Las Vegas. There's about, arguably 4,000 to 5,000 less homes and condos on the market now than there were in December of last year. Where'd they go? They didn't disappear. They're out there, and they'll be going to, at least half of them probably. I mean, some of them were the opportunists. If I can get this for my house. Some of them, well, the interest rates are so much. My loan is only at 3%. Now the rates are at 7%. So, you have some people that aren't going to move. But when the rates start to shuffle, okay, which they will, you'll have a tremendous pipeline of people. So, if you get real on purpose about these people, you do really well. And let's face it, the market's changed. He who has the listings right now wins. You have to create a schedule. I mean, expires are only one part of that, but it's a tremendous source for you to be working right now.